Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to cut out the background of an image within Canva. So as you can see, I am now in Canva and I have an image of a Lamborghini. So this Lamborghini has a kind of a gray background and I want to delete that. So you just need to select this image, so tap on the image and then you see the option edit photo. As you can see, you can tap on it and then under tools you see BG remover. So you can tap on it, but then the pop-up pops up that you need to upgrade to Canva Pro in order to remove the background. So you can try it for 30 days for free, and then you can just refund it if you do not like Canva Pro, or just you can just try it for free for 30 days. That's really nice, and then you can delete the background. So I will show you how to do it with a Canva Pro account. So as you can see, this is the same image, but I have Canva Pro on this account. So just tap on it, tap on the image, then go to edit photo, and then go to BG remover, background remover. Tap on it and just let it load. And as you can see, now the background is deleted of the Lamborghini. So if you do not like it, as you see, here is a bit, this part isn't deleted, but you can just tap on those settings, on the settings icon, tap on it, and as you see, you can tap on erase or restore. So I am tapping on restore, or I'm sorry, erase, and this brush is a bit too big, so I'm making it smaller, and I think 10 is great. Let's make it 10, and now you can delete this image, or delete the part you want to delete. That's an option. Another option is, and this is a totally free option, is to go to remove.bg, remove.background. So this is really nice. So you can just upload your image totally for free, and now the image or the background is removed. So you can download the image, you can copy it, as you see, copy image, and download HD. It's very nice. It's a very handy tool, just for very fast and quick background removers. So yeah, that's totally free. You do not need Canva Pro, but I do recommend you buying Canva Pro, because it has a lot of advantages and benefits that are really nice. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel. It means a lot, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.